Morning, it's just past 8 and the last nightclub just closed. Beachcomber is the only one that's open until 8 a.m. While the sun just has risen, I'm gonna take a walk first towards Buddy's bar, Louie's, taking a left at the Wooky Hollow 2, Voices, and then I'm gonna continue my way back towards the strip. Gonna see how that is this morning, see what's open already, what we can do around here. Quite some people waiting back there for their early morning flight back home. Got the Rio Park. Love it when it is this early, really calm and everything, but don't think it's cold. It's already 25 degrees. Temperatures at night don't drop below 22 anymore. And today's gonna be the hottest day with 30 degrees in the shade. Here we got Voices. Everything nicely stacked up. Buses driving by, picking up everyone who needs to go back to the airport. Lots and lots of gas bottles. A lot of people still use those in Spain. Early breakfast for the locals here.
mojito.
Nearly at the strip. And if you enjoyed this video, then please do give it a like. Greatly helps me on YouTube. Thank you. There we got Andy's preparing to open in a bit. I believe it opens around 9:30. But everything is still closed. Well, the Yorkshire Pride in the distance is open. Streets are getting pressure washed. Good thing they do this, but still smells like lots of drink and puke over here. Lots of bars getting restocked, and that is necessary. Look at how full those bins are. Wow. The Insomnia, really quiet everything here. Normally it's always filled with people, you always see some people around there. think this place is open already. Yes, it is, John and Joseph's. Well, there isn't that much to go if you want breakfast before 8:30, I think it is right now. Motive is still open, even if it says open 24 hours. Or most of it's still closed, I mean, of course. It's still early, even for me. People waiting for the bus. It is quite nice walking here through the street. That's mostly really extreme, but now you hear the birds chirping. People heading towards the bus waiting. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Want to see another one? Yesterday I walked by the beach and it was extremely crowded. Like this, check this one out over here.